That's right, man. Look at the hell I'm at. Up as high as helicopters. Top of La Quinta Mountain. That's right, bitches. It's higher than a helicopter. He must be rescuing some stupid ass. I couldn't make it. I don't know. I'm way the hell up here. Can't get much higher than this. Oh wow, look, they're rescuing somebody. They really are. I didn't think anybody else was up here. That'd be nuts. Oh, wait a minute, that's me. Now, how cool is that? Well, I mean, maybe not for the guy in the stretcher. I hope that's not going to be me. I'm trying to get down up this mountain. Getting up was bad enough. Maybe I should just reserve my position. Come back and get me in 30 minutes. Well, I really didn't think there's anybody else stupid enough to try this. Should wave at him. Hey, see you in a little bit. How the hell am I going to get down from here? Boy, oh boy. That stroke must have caused brain damage. Because this is stupid. Because that is one loose gravel mountain I got to get down. And I don't know how I'm going to do that. And I only got about an hour before it gets dark. Whew. Boy, look at that shit. Well, I've been up here a dozen times, never seen a helicopter. Sure the hell hope that wasn't an omen. He's probably looking at me going, yeah, there's another dummy. Why you climb the mountain? Because it's there. Oh, my dad's probably having a heart attack thinking that's me. Better call him. I honestly didn't think, I've never seen anybody else up here. No tracks or trails, except for prehistoric Indian trails, 10,000 years old. Stupid ass Indians trying to climb this shit. Well, guess it's about time to head down.